Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, you will want to hold power key, and from there select power off and simply wait for the device to shut off. Now this will take a couple seconds, not the fastest device, but once it shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up. So any moment it should shut off. There we go. So once it vibrates, you can start holding power key and volume up. Let's try that again without actually flipping the phone. So power key, volume up. And you will see the boot mode. So from here on, I select the second option, Fastboot mode, using only volume up. And then press volume down to confirm it. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode, which you can see clearly right over here. And that is basically how you would boot the device into Fastboot mode. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, what you want to do is hold, I believe, power key. So let's keep holding it. It's going to be most likely more than 10 seconds before it turns off. There we go. And once it turns off, let go of the key and it will just boot back up normally into Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.